I went with a dumpster because I knew it would be super easy.
I was so excited at the prospect of having this dumpster delivered.
Timing was perfect. Everything was perfect.
My name is Cassie.
My name is Brenda Watson.
My name's Yvonne McTagg.
We were having our roof replaced.
I was living in Lunenburg and I was moving out, so needed a dumpster to get rid of all that stuff that accumulates.
We bought a piece of property in the Halliburton area. It came with two buildings, the first of which was sort of a garage that we wanted to, but it was a 2-story, and we wanted to turn that into a living space that we could actually live in while we were then getting things together to build our main house.
To be honest with you, I've seen their trucks around, and I thought that the logo was really cute.
So I'm actually in a networking group with Julie.
So honestly, it was a Google search. I just, dumpsters, companies near me, unless you're looking for something, you don't really notice what's around you. So I honestly didn't know whether Minden or Halliburton or anywhere close had a dumpster company. So when I did a Google search, it came up.
I actually wanted to keep it local, so I wanted to hire somebody that was pretty much in our neighborhood.
I had heard about, how awesome their customer service is.
I liked the idea that it was local to me. I really liked that it was a locally owned franchise business as well. So it was like a small business thing. I liked that too.
Placement in the driveway, that was a huge thing. We do have other residents here, so being able to come in and park and that kind of thing. So that was important to us.
I like doing stuff myself, and they would just plop it there and I could fill up all the stuff and go through my things slowly and decide what I wanted to do with everything on my own. And
yeah, I definitely the freedom of having a big giant box on your driveway to get rid of everything that you needed at any time, for sure.
When they brought the dumpster, they lined it in the driveway specifically where we told them to. Even Mike came by to check and make sure that it was in a good spot, which I thought was pretty impressive that somebody who owned the company would come by and take a look.
Blake, first of all, he answered the phone right away, so that was sort of the first thing. But he followed through. He knew my name right away. Like the next time I called him, it was, "Hey Yvonne, how's it going?" And every time since I've called.
So definitely impressed with the customer service. Just super helpful and super responsive.
It was great. It was just quick, easy, and they were right on time.
I guess at some point I sort of was like, so what are these, dumpster delivery guys going to be like? Are they going to be sort of these gruff people that I need to make sure my husband's on site when they deliver it? Like, what am I looking at here? And, just the nicest guys show up.
I didn't have to worry about it. I didn't have to worry about bringing it anywhere. I just put it in the dumpster and they take it away, and yeah. So super easy and convenient.